Top 10 super easy to make drinks with no alcohol. Spring is here, and it's the perfect time for drinks that are fresh, easy, and totally alcohol-free. Here are 10 super simple drinks you can make right now. Number 10. Blueberry Lemon Infused Water. Just drop blueberries and lemon slices into cold water and let it infuse. That's it. Beautiful and refreshing. Number 9. Mango Lassi. Blend mango chunks with yogurt, a splash of milk, and a drizzle of honey. Cool, creamy, and tropical. Number 8. Sparkling Peach Iced Tea. Brew peach tea, chill it, then top with sparkling water. Fizzy, fruity, and super easy. Number 7. Cold brew iced coffee with oat milk. Steep ground coffee in cold water overnight. Add oat milk. Smooth and dairy-free. Number 6. Watermelon Slush. Blend watermelon with ice and a squeeze of lime juice. Cold, sweet, and perfect for warm days. Number 5. Coconut water with lime. Pour cold coconut water over ice and add fresh lime juice. Light and naturally hydrating. Number 4. Iced Matcha Latte. Mix matcha with hot water, pour it over ice, and add milk. Earthy, vibrant, and energizing. Number 3. Strawberry Basil Sparkler. Muddle strawberries and basil. Add sparkling water and a splash of lemon. Looks fancy, tastes amazing. Number 2. Hibiscus Iced Tea. Steep hibiscus in hot water, chill and sweeten if you like. Tangy, bold, and rich in color. And finally, number 1. Cucumber Mint Lemonade. Mix lemon juice, sugar, and water. Then stir in cucumber slices and mint leaves. It's the most refreshing drink on this list. Which one are you going to try first? Like and subscribe for more easy top 10s, direct to you.